Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Telluride versus the Volkswagen Atlas. We'll dive into a full comparison of these two popular three-row SUVs, helping you understand their unique strengths. We'll cover everything from engine performance and driving dynamics to interior comfort and advanced technology. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which SUV might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and family adventures. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Kia Telluride typically features a robust 3.8-liter V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower for confident acceleration. The Volkswagen Atlas offers a choice between a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder or a 3.6-liter V6, with the latter producing up to 276 horsepower. Both vehicles provide a comfortable and stable driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Your preference might come down to specific engine feel. Stepping inside, the Kia Telluride often impresses with its upscale interior design and generous passenger room across all three rows. The Volkswagen Atlas, on the other hand, is known for its highly practical and spacious cabin, making it easy to access the third row. Both SUVs come equipped with modern infotainment systems, large touchscreens, and a suite of driver assistance features, ensuring a connected and secure journey for everyone on board. Comfort and convenience are priorities. Regarding safety, both the Kia Telluride and Volkswagen Atlas consistently receive high marks from leading safety organizations, offering peace of mind with their comprehensive safety features. When considering long-term value, factors like resale value and warranty coverage are important to research. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Ultimately, your choice between these two excellent SUVs will depend on your specific priorities and preferences. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.